Xin chào quý vị, I'm Hsiao, Key Account Manager from FETC International. Let's get started of our presentation today. Today, I will share the topic, how ETC can be a foundation of digital transformation. I will have three main topics to show today, ETC in Vietnam and Taiwan, also the digital vehicle EID, and road to the future. In Vietnam, there are 52% of the penetration of e-tag. Now, the driver can drive through the barrier ETC lane with the service provided by FETC or VDTC. So, have you installed the RFID tag yet? I think from the beginning, 2016, of the launch of ETC service, I think that's a great achievement for Vietnam. So Taiwan, what's the difference? You can see on the picture, there are no more toll plaza. We have 335 multi-lane free-flow gantry on 1,000 kilometers highway. So there are no more toll collectors on the highway to collect the money. It's 100% ETC. So this system is authorized by our government Fuel Bureau to design, build, and operate by FETC. Besides ETC, we also provide smart highway and smart city service to our customer. I will show you the story later. Also, we founded FETC International, which is FETCi, to serve our overseas customer. With 94% RFID tag installation rate, 7.5 million of users, we kept very high billing accuracy rate, which is 99.9998%. We kept this high billing accuracy rate is to ensure we collect the right money to the right vehicle. That's a very important part for ETC operator. So with this operation excellency, we start our digital transformation journey. So everybody is talking about digital transformation, but how? In Vietnam, you have a new ID card, you have a code and a chip to scan. But for vehicle, can you have an ID to scan? The answer is yes. No matter in Vietnam or Taiwan, driver install the RFID tag. Combined with a license plate number, it could be a unique vehicle EID. But you may ask, can I just use a single factor? Only read the RFID tag or only read the license plate? So think about of your ID card. Besides the code and the chip to scan, there are also fingerprint on it because we have to avoid any fact or any inaccuracy. So for vehicle, it's the same. We have to ensure our application is high accuracy. So with the operation experience, we keep improve on our vehicle recognition, from license plate to the whole picture of vehicle, from motor vehicle to motorcycle. This is in Vietnam. You could see the vehicle recognition, the license plate recognition, performs really well under day and night, especially in night. That's really clear license plate recognition. Also, we face many situations in Vietnam. Also, you could see in the picture some reflected or some destroyed license plate, but we overcome it and we achieve 97% of accuracy. In Thailand, very complicated alphabet. You could see we achieve a 95% of accuracy rate in Thailand. Also, we have trained the AI license plate recognition in many Asian countries. But not only license plate recognition, for our operation experience, license plate recognition is not enough. We still to recognize the color, the make, the model, the type of vehicle. Let me show you some cases. That's really interesting. In these two pictures, the license plate number look the same, right? It's F59533. But look into detail, the right picture, the last number is 8, not 3. Somebody color it like 3. So it's a really bad situation. So with the vehicle recognition, we found that the side mirror, the color is different, so we don't collect money from the wrong vehicle driver. Also, vehicle classification, we combine with the LiDAR and image. And this is a very crucial factor for the tolling tariff in many countries. Also in Vietnam, 20-feet container and 40-feet container, it has different tolling tariff. So this vehicle classification could be applied in Vietnam for this situation. So we provide our end-to-end solution and product to our customer with digital transformation ambition. I want to show you some cases. The first one is a new tolling architecture. We call it semi-free-fall. Because many customers come to find us and say they have a goal of multi-lane free-fall, but they know the legislation for the unpaid toll is not ready. So what can they do? We provide them a customization model. It's a semi-free-fall with a multi-lane free-fall in the entrance to save the congestion, but with a barrier at the exit to ensure the money is collected. This is the first benefit, save the congestion. The second one, cost saving. As you could see, multi-lane free-fall actually save the capex, including toll plaza, civil, and less equipment. For OPEX, no more toll collectors. Also, you can save the O&M manpower. So we also work with our government. You could see with the 16 million daily transaction, we can provide the time prediction service. On the green board, it predicts the time to the next city. Also, it's very convenient for users to check on app. They could see if the road section is under congestion. If yes, it will show red, and if not, it's a green color. And also, for the billing system, we provide very flexible charging method because for government, they will do a different toll rate to do the traffic management. So we can provide flexible billing system for different factors like the direction or time period. In this case, we work with the police. When our multi-lane free-fall gantry detects a vehicle EID, we notify the police to catch a criminal immediately. So with the vehicle EID, there are so many applications that can apply to our citizens. So I believe this is also the opportunity for our overseas partner. First, Thailand. They have a digital transformation ambition. So we will build the multi-lane free-fall tolling pilot on their current motorway. Also, this is the design for the new build motorway. India, with the cashless policy, we also built a 6 multi-lane free-fall sites with a 6-month pilot. Malaysia, at first, they use a single factor, only use the RFID tag. But now, they accept the concept of vehicle EID. They combine with the vehicle recognition. So we will build the multi-lane free-fall pilot with remote installation. So many countries are coming with us on this digital transformation journey. I believe Vietnam is the next one. So if you are interested, come to us. I'm Hsiao from FETC International. Xin chân thành cảm ơn và chúc mọi người thành công. Thank you very much.